Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a face in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper, and let's go. Step 1. Shape the head. Start by drawing a large circle lightly. This will be the main part of the head. Below it, draw a smaller oval touching the bottom of the circle. This oval will represent the jawline and chin area. These simple shapes will guide us as we add details. Step 2. Guide the proportions. Lightly draw a vertical line down the center of your circle and oval. This line helps keep the face symmetrical. Next, add a horizontal line across the middle of the circle. This line will guide the placement of the eyes and other features. Step 3. Outline the contours. Now use your pencil to gently refine the outline of the head. Smooth the transition between the circle and oval, creating a more natural face shape. This step helps set the stage for adding facial features. Step 4. Place the features. With the guidelines in place, draw the eyes along the horizontal line, equidistant from the center. Position the nose along the vertical line just below the circle. Add a mouth between the nose and the bottom of the jaw. These placements ensure a proportional face. Step 5. Add details. It's time to add some personality. Lightly draw the eyebrows above the eyes, following the curve of the head. Next, sketch the ears starting from the eyes to the nose. Finally, outline the hair around the head, giving your face character and style. Step 6. Finalize with line weight. Now, press a little harder with your pencil to darken the lines you want to keep. Emphasize the contours of the face and the key features like the eyes and mouth. This step adds depth and clarity, bringing your drawing to life. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture, and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.